In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct a DocuSign envelope after sending. If you've sent an agreement and noticed a typo, attached the wrong file, or need to tweak a field, don't worry, DocuSign gives you a built-in way to fix it quickly. Start by logging into your DocuSign account. You can do this on the web in your browser or in the mobile app. Use whichever you prefer. Once you're in, head to Agreements. That's where all your envelopes live, including anything you sent that's still in progress or has already completed. Find the envelope you want to correct. You're looking for one that shows as sent or in progress. Those statuses mean the envelope is still moving through the signing process and can be adjusted. If you only see completed, the change window has passed. Next, click the ellipsis, sometimes shown as 3 dots, or the More button next to that envelope. From the Actions menu, choose Correct. This opens the editing view, where you can update the key parts of your envelope without starting from scratch. Make your changes carefully. Under Recipients, you can add someone new, remove someone who shouldn't be there, or fix an email address if it was entered incorrectly. Under Documents, you can replace a file you attached by mistake or add an additional document that needs signatures. Under Fields, add just where the signature, initials, or data fields sit on the page so they line up perfectly with your content. Take a moment to review required fields and signing order to make sure everything still makes sense. Around this point, a quick note. I've placed the link to the DocuSign website, along with download links for the mobile app right at the top of the description so you can access your account easily. When you're finished with your updates, click Send to resend the corrected envelope. Your recipients will be notified that there's an updated version to review and sign, and the process continues from there. Important tip: if any recipient has already signed, the correct option may not be available. In that situation, open More for that envelope, choose Void, and add a brief reason so recipients understand why the signing stopped. Then, resend the agreement as a new envelope with your corrections applied. And that's it. You've learned how to correct a DocuSign envelope after sending, plus what to do if correction isn't available. Thanks for watching.